Match the depositional environment. Well, you go by grain sizes. As a stream carrying sand, silt, and clay comes and hits the ocean, well, as soon as it leaves the channel, like down here, it loses its energy and it can't carry that sand, silt, and clay anymore. So the sand is the first stuff that falls off. It's the biggest. It's like if you had a snow globe and you shake it up. As soon as you stop shaking it, all the snow falls down to the bottom of the snow globe. Well, the bigger stuff's going to fall first. So sand gets deposited here. That's why you have sandy beaches, and right here next to the shoreline, it's going to be sand. The clays and the silts, they're smaller particles though, and they can stay suspended a little bit longer as the energy carries it offshore, and they'll make it a little bit further offshore before they will eventually settle out. And so you get the clays slightly offshore, and those clays will eventually turn into mudstones and shales. And then finally, the furthest offshore, this is the limestone. And the limestones come from reef environments. Animals will be building these limestones as organic material. And the limestones in these reefs, they don't like being too close to the shoreline. They don't like being covered up in sands and muds. And so they'll build their reef systems a little bit further offshore, but also shallow enough where photosynthesis can take place and form the base of the food chain. So they would be just out here and see, and you see this pattern a lot with shoreline deposition, where you'll see sandstone, and as you walk a little bit further along the path, you'll see siltstone and shales, the muds, and then a little bit further off, you'll start to see some limestone developing.